Hello there, young ocean explorers! Are you ready for a fun challenge? Today, we are going to dive deep into the blue sea to play a guessing game. We have 8 mysterious shadows waiting for you. Can you guess which sea animal is hiding? Let's start our first challenge right now. Look closely at this shape. Number 1. Check out this curly tail and distinct snout. It's a very small creature that loves to hitch a ride on seaweed. Do you know who it is? 3.1. It's a bright orange seahorse. These amazing little fish are the only ones where the daddies carry the babies. Isn't that cool? Moving on to animal number 2. This shadow has a very strange white head that looks like a tool you might find in a workshop. What animal is this? Time's up. It is the Hammerhead Shark. That white head helps them see all around so they can find their favorite snacks on the sandy floor. Here comes animal number 3. This shadow has so many arms curling and swirling in every direction. They are very smart and very wiggly. Who could it be? It's a purple octopus. Did you know they have 3 hearts and blue blood? They are the ultimate escape artists of the deep blue sea. Next up is animal number 4. This shadow is very flat and shaped like a diamond. It looks like it's flying through the water. Can you name it? You guessed it. It's a spotted blue stingray. They glide through the water just like a bird glides through the sky. So beautiful and graceful. Animal number 5 is a real mystery. Look at that long, straight horn on its head. It looks like a mythical creature from a fairy tale. Who is it? It's a narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. That long horn is actually a giant tooth that can grow very long. What an amazing creature! Get ready for number 6. This shadow is bell-shaped with many long, thin tentacles trailing behind. It looks like it might be glowing in the dark. It's a glowing pink jellyfish. They don't have bones, a brain, or even a heart. They just drift along with the ocean currents all day long. We are almost there. Animal number 7 is round and covered in sharp-looking spikes. It looks like a little underwater balloon. Can you guess its name? It's a yellow pufferfish. When they get scared, they gulp down water to puff up big and round so they can protect themselves from big fish. Last one, number 8. This shadow has big, strong claws and a segmented tail. It lives on the rocky bottom of the ocean floor. Any ideas? It's a red lobster. These critters can live for a very long time and they use those big claws to find food among the rocks and sand. You did a fantastic job today. We met 8 wonderful friends from the deep. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun sea adventures. Thanks for playing along with us. See you next time, Ocean Explorers. Bye-bye.